this video, we will demonstrate the step 5, Z-axis calibration on our manual. It will automatically and simultaneously calibrate the two nozzles we just installed. If you do not it correctly, it may damage your machine. So make sure you go through the whole video before you start doing the calibrations. If anything incorrect happens, please press the emergency button on the top right of the machine to stop the machine to make sure if the equipment is damaged, and try to fix it. First, we want to make sure the two nozzles are both installed on the machine. Even if you are not using the J-axis water soluble support, you still need to install both nozzles which has similar length. If you only install one nozzle, it will damage your machine in the following calibration step. So please make sure you follow the instruction. On the manual control tab, you can easily calibrate the machine. First, you go to manual control and close all valves. It will close both nozzles to make sure there's no leak from the nozzle during the following calibration step. And then we can make sure the nozzle is a little bit far from the printing platform. And then we can click the home button to home all axis on the manual control tab. It will calibrate both X, Y, Z and the PQ axis of both nozzles. And make sure you pay attention to the following video and make sure the machine moves correctly. To click it, the PQ axis will both go up, and then calibrate the X and Y axis, and then P axis, the left nozzle will move downward, and then platform will go up to press the sensor and stop it. Then switch to the nozzle on the right, we call Q axis, and move down until it push the sensor and stop, and then move up. Then it will go back to the X, Y, 0 position. This position is both X, Y, Z axis are 0, and you can find that the P axis, the left nozzle, will be slightly below the right nozzle, the Q axis. So in the following printing, the right nozzle will not interfere with the left nozzle.